Imvulo kaManxeba emndenini ngenkathi kumenyeza amagama esulu ezisishiyagalolunye lezi ezingamashumi amabili nanye ezashona.
Nati Ngoza was a female born 2004-08-30. That makes her, at the time of the tragedy, she was 17 years old. Bongoletu Ngantana is a male born on the 9th of July 2004, 17 years of age at the time.
Isebenze imbili zaseNyobeni zihlawulise u-2,000 amarandi ngokudayisela izingane utshwala.
To be precise, how many people died from the Enyobeni tragedy?
21.
Were there amongst the deceased people people or deceased who were underage at the time?
That's correct, Worship. There was 9 underage kids that passed away.
Warrant Officer James Khobel ubefakaza ngokuvezwe ngamavidiyo e-CCTV.
I believe that we have led enough evidence to convince the court of their guilt in as far as selling liquor to young children that are under the limit or under the age of 18.
Icala liyaqhubeka.